Debt collectors are literally banking on you not showing up to court. And before we dive into how you can flip the script on them, make sure to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount that could save you thousands. I'm Alexandra, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn the tables on debt collectors using a tool they really don't want you to know about. Here's the dirty little secret of the debt collection industry. Over 90% of people who get sued by debt collectors never respond to the lawsuit. They just ignore it, hoping it goes away. And when you don't respond, you automatically lose. It's called a default judgment, and it's basically free money for them. But here's where it gets interesting. There's a platform called SoloSuit that's completely disrupting this rigged game. Think of it as your legal wingman that knows exactly what to say in court. Their automated system helps you generate a proper legal response to any debt lawsuit in minutes, not months. And here's the kicker. They've also created something called SoloSettle, which is like having a professional negotiator in your pocket. This platform connects you directly with debt collectors and settles cases in under 14 days, often for a fraction of what you originally owed. We're talking about people settling $10,000 debts for $3,000 or less. The numbers are staggering. SoloSuit has helped settle over $1.5 billion in debt, and most settlements happen within 3 to 4 days. That's faster than most people respond to text messages. So if you're tired of feeling powerless against debt collectors, it's time to level the playing field. Click that link in the description below to get your special discount and start fighting back today. Trust me, your future self will thank you.